Unlock the power of large language models like Deepseek 671b right on your mid-range GTX 1650 GPU for experimentation and development. First, we need to ensure you have the right software. Head over to your preferred AI model runner. Many fantastic open source options exist that simplify the process of loading and interacting with models. Locally look for one that supports GGUF format models, as this is crucial for optimizing performance on your hardware. Download and install your chosen runner program. Next, it's time to get the Deepseek 671b model itself. You'll want to find a version specifically quantized for lower VRAM usage. Search on model repositories for Deepseek 671b GGUF, and look for quantizations like Q4KM or Q5KM. These smaller versions are designed to fit within the memory constraints of GPUs like the GTX 1650, allowing it to run smoothly. Once you've downloaded your quantized model file, it's time to load it into your AI runner. Open the program and navigate to the model loading section. You'll typically see an option to load model or browse for model. Select your downloaded GGUF file. The runner will then process and prepare the model for use. Now for the critical optimization step. Your AI runner settings. You'll find parameters related to GPU acceleration. Look for options like GPU layers or offload layers. For a GTX 1650, you'll want to experiment with offloading a significant portion of the model's layers to the GPU, but not necessarily all. Start with around 20-25 GPU layers, and adjust this number up or down based on performance. Too many layers will cause out-of memory errors. Finally, let's test. After adjusting your GPU layer settings, type a prompt into the chat interface of your AI runner. Observe the speed of the response. If it's laggy or you encounter errors, reduce the GPU layer count. If it's fast and responsive, you've successfully configured Deepseek 671b on your GTX 1650. You can now experiment with advanced AI locally.